Introducing the Nexar Pro, the ultimate solution for individuals who spend long hours on the road. This dual cam system is designed to capture video both inside and outside your vehicle. With two separate camera units connected by a cable, the setup is sleek and efficient, although it does take up a bit of screen space. Experience the full potential of the Nexar Pro with the Nexar App. This app allows you to customize settings, generate detailed incident reports, and securely store recorded clips in the cloud at no additional cost. Additionally, the app offers handy features like break-in alerts and GPS data logging for added security. While the Nexar Pro doesn't record in 4K, its 1080p video quality is more than satisfactory. The external camera performs impressively well in various shooting conditions, whether it's heavy rain or bright sunshine. While there are cheaper options available, they often lack the advanced features that the Nexar Pro offers. If the safety of your vehicle is of utmost importance in your daily life, the Pro excels in providing top-notch protection and excellent value. Still searching for the perfect dash cam? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed.